Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to solve Excel drag to fill not working, value is copied, formula ignored. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix Excel drag to fill not working using 6 fixes. Method 1. Close background running apps. If too many applications are running in the system's background, it can lead to this problem. Closing the unnecessary applications could work for you to tackle this situation. To do this, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys to open the Task Manager. Under Process tab, right tap on the useless apps. Choose End Task. Method 2. Enable Fill Handle option. If the Excel drag to fill not working, you can try enabling the fill handle in Excel. To fix this issue, go to the File menu, and then hit the Options tab. This will open the Excel Options window on your screen. Choose the Advanced option from the left pane of the Excel Options window. Now go to the section of Editing Options, and put a checkmark across Enable Fill Handle and Cell Drag and Drop option. Hit the OK button. Method 3. Remove applied filters. If you applied filters in your Excel worksheet, this makes the drag to fill not working issue. So, try removing filters from the columns in the workbook to solve it. After removing the filters, the fill feature begins working again. Method 4. Set automatic calculation to manual. MS Excel calculates the formula automatically if any change is made by default. But to increase the performance of Excel, the manual calculation should be set to automatic. To do so, click on File, then click Option, then Formulas. Under Calculation option, select Automatic. Click OK. Method 5. Use Open and Repair tool. The Open and Repair is a built-in MS Excel utility that allows you to repair the corrupted Excel file and solve this problem. To run this tool, you have to ensure to close all the Excel files. Open the Excel application. Go to the File. Then Open. Under the dialog box that opens, click on the Browse to choose an Excel file that is not opening. Once you have selected the file, click on a small drop-down arrow next to an Open button. Click Open and Repair, then Repair. Method 6. Use Excel Repair tool. If you are looking for a quick way to resolve Excel drag to fill not working, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about fixing Excel drag to fill not working, value is copied, formula ignored problem. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.